Optimization. Optimization. This is a big thing that a lot of people overlook. And it's something, even if you're a complete and utter beginner, you can think about right now, okay? So I've written down a couple of different things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I can count. 5 things, okay? 5 things. These are the things that are going to help improve your store from a revenue or from a profit point of view. Number 1 thing is pricing. Most people can increase their prices and they're just scared to increase their prices, okay? So you can probably increase your prices, and you probably should increase your prices. And the thing is, with increasing prices, you need to test it, you need to figure it out, but you can probably increase your prices. And to be honest, right now, I would recommend you to increase your prices. Like if you think maybe my competition is selling for more than me, if your store's established, right? If your store's 100 orders plus, 101 orders plus, you should increase your prices or at least test it, okay? Number 2, search engine optimization, okay? I've talked about this a bit before, but search engine optimization is a very key thing for future optimization. There's a lot of kind of extra methods and tools and stuff like this that do somewhat work to improve your SEO. And there's a lot of different ways that you can get one product that's doing 100 orders a month and very easily get it to 200 orders a month by doing some unique stuff with SEO. So that's something to really focus on, and really focus on what your competition's doing. Check out all the tools out there. If you're really scaling, get all the tools, check out some tools. Allura is a good one. I use Etsy Hunt. I use literally every single one of them, right? They all kind of say different information, which is a little bit annoying, but use the tools, change up some stuff on a new listing. Don't do it on the same listing, but on a new listing, okay? Number 3, imagery. Imagery is the most important thing. The most important thing. Duplicate out your stuff, change your imagery, see how it works, test it, okay? Average order value. You can always increase your prices. Again, average order value, mention it fucking twice because it's so important. But also you can add upsells. Maybe a gift box would work well with your product. Maybe a extra fancy written note would go well with your item. Try and increase the amount an individual customer is spending on your website, okay, on your store. And then the final one is products, okay? You can always add more products within your particular niche to capture the cross sells. So a lot of the time when people are buying, they will go over, like they'll check out your store and they'll go over to they'll click on your store and they'll go over to a different product and they'll see that, click that, okay? And then maybe they'll buy that one, even though they clicked on the first one originally, but they'll buy a different one on your store. Add more of those products. It gives customers more of an opportunity to buy from your store, and that's always good, right? There's no negative to that. Literally no negative to that, okay?